and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to disable the Meta AI feature in WhatsApp. So let's get started with the video. So basically, Meta has integrated its AI assistants into WhatsApp. It also offers the features like you can delete the Meta AI chat and also mute the notifications from Meta AI chat if you don't want it. So how you can delete it? In your chat list, you need to locate the Meta AI conversation. Just hold that conversation and after that you will see a delete icon option. Click on that delete option and after that click on this delete chat. So this action will basically removes the Meta AI chat from your list and you will not get that option. The next one is you can also mute the notifications if you don't want it. Click on the Meta AI conversation and after that tap the contact name at the top. Here you will see a notifications option. Click on notifications and then just toggle it on mute notifications. You can, if you want to mute it for always 8 hours 1 week, you can choose it according to your need and do that. So right now currently there is no official method to completely disable or remove the Meta AI feature from WhatsApp, but obviously this steps is going to help you reduce its visibility and interaction. So this is how you can do that. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.